first official look at the Z Fold 7 leaked yesterday, and now we've got the first real-life hands-on video too. And trust me, the difference this year is huge, but at the same time, some decisions honestly leave me scratching my head. So, a couple of days ago, the official renders of the Z Fold 7 from every angle were out. And yeah, there are some surprisingly good and not so good changes in there. First, check out these two official colors of the Z Fold 7. They definitely stand out. But here's something I noticed right away. Samsung ditched the camera rings from the Fold 6 and the Special Edition Fold. And honestly, it looks good. Those fake rings never looked premium anyway. But the inner display is where things get weird. We already knew Samsung was upgrading the main screen selfie camera on the Fold 7 compared to the Fold 6. But according to the official renders, instead of the under-display camera, we're getting a huge punch hole cutout. And seriously, what is Samsung thinking here? They did the same thing with the Fold Special Edition. And sure, picture quality is a little better than the under-display camera, but is that trade-off really worth it? Let me break it down. Think about how most people use foldable phones. You're usually using it folded, like a regular phone. However, you pull that main display out when you're relaxing, maybe on a Zoom call or doing work. That's exactly when you need an under-display camera. Nobody's taking their phone out, unfolding it, just to snap a selfie with the 4-megapixel main screen camera. Especially when the cover display gives you a better 10-megapixel selfie camera right there. Plus, Samsung started the whole under-display camera thing with the Fold 3, and people loved the seamless full-screen experience. But now, that big punch hole kind of takes away the clean, full display advantage Samsung had over other folds for years. Maybe I'm overreacting here, but what about you? What do you prefer? Punch hole or under display camera? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Now let's talk about something really good. The Z Fold 7 looks so sleek compared to the Fold 6. And we have more than pictures now. There's an actual hands-on video now from a Korean YouTuber. Sure, it's a dummy unit. But here's the thing. Dummy units have the exact same size and shape as the real deal. So this is basically what we're getting. On paper, it's just 3.2 millimeters thinner than the Fold 6. But in your hand, it feels way slimmer. Even the Special Edition Fold looks bulky next to this thing. Since the very first Galaxy Fold, we've been waiting for a foldable that feels like a proper phone when folded, and a proper tablet when opened. And finally, the Fold 7 delivers. A massive screen, crazy thin design, and super light feel. Compared to the S25 Ultra, the Fold 7 is only a little thicker. And with the bigger, wider cover display, you won't need to open the main screen unless you're multitasking or want that tablet vibe. Oh, and this is the first time Samsung's foldable is actually lighter than their Ultra flagship, which is unrealistically good. But let's get back to that main display debate. Let's be real. The Z Fold 7 is basically a polished version of the Fold Special Edition. The Special Edition had an 8-inch display, but leaks promised thinner bezels and an 8.2-inch screen. But zoom in on those renders. Do the bezels actually look thinner? Yeah, not really. And get this, the latest confirmed leak shows the official screen protector for the Fold 7 is the exact same size as the one for the Fold Special Edition, which was designed for an 8-inch screen. So yeah, Samsung might market it as 8.2 inches, including those bezels, but in reality, it's probably still the same 8-inch display. Alright, lastly, let's talk extras. Both the Flip 7 and the Fold 7 are coming with 6 months of free Gemini Advanced. That's worth about $120, but that's not all. Latest news says both foldables will also get 2 terabytes of free cloud storage for 6 months. And here's a nice surprise. The Fan Edition Flip is getting the same perks as the premium ones. Mark your calendars, the official launch is happening on July 9th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. If you made it this far, smash that like button. It helps a lot. This is Techtics, and I'll see you in the next one.